Okay, YouTubers. Apologize for the washer running in the background, but anyways, today, we're gonna do a startup and shutdown of this hisense dehumidifier. Um, it has been, it has not been running for like almost a couple of months. So anyways, if you guys wondering, we picked this up from dirt cheap. It's for sale. So anyways, we sold it, put it to my house, and yeah, everything seems to work just fine. So, of course, here's your bucket. Filter comes right out, just like so. If you guys are wondering, get those tabs right here. Wash it out. When it's clean, you put it back in. Snaps right in, like so. Here, of course, here's your control panel, energy stars, so it's an energy efficient. Your light into your bucket, and your clean filter light. This is your humidity display, your humidistat. These buttons set your humidity, and of course here's your power button. To reset the filter, you have to hold down the power button for 3 seconds until you hear a beep. To make this light go off, and that resets your filter timer. So, anyways, over there on the side we have a port for continuous drain operation, and that way so you don't have to worry about the dehumidifier shut off from short cycling. So, anyways, without further ado, let's start it up here. Of course, it hasn't been running for probably a few months. So I have no idea what kind of compressor this has. Probably like a rotary or something like that. Have not too positive, but I'm just gonna start this battery up. Plug this in. I do not recommend you plug this in to an extension cord, because according to it says do not use an adapter or an extension cord. It's because of the high voltage system. So it's just gonna start this up. This is out of the way. Make sure nothing is blocking the flow. Alright. Alright. We plug this in. Watch the lights. Oops. Hear that
Are you making a video?
Yep.
Awesome. About your monster?
No, about my hisense dehumidifier.
Oh, okay, cool.
Anyways, let's turn it on. %. That's your current humidity level. Right now it's at 50%. It's not that too humid in here. When your display blinks like that, that's your set point. It also has an energy saver feature, just like I think almost all dehumidifiers. Once it gets into a certain set point, both compressor and the fan both shut off to help preserve and to help save you some money and save you some energy. So, pretty cool, huh? So, just like on my LG window air conditioner, when I have it on energy saver, Oh, it just went down to 48% humidity. Alright. I'm gonna let the fan shut off, and after that we're gonna start the compressor. I have no idea what kind of compressor it has. Probably it's like a Ritchie preposition rotary, or probably Gree, or probably GMCC or something like that. I'm not gonna open up the cover, you know, but it's because it's working, and I don't want to mess it up. So, and not only that, it's because of the high voltage system, the capacitor, and that retains your charge even after it's unplugged. So you have to discharge it first. It just went down to 46% humidity. It's not that too humid in here, so pressure. The fan should stop, and after that we're gonna start the compressor up. Alright. Of course, here's your blower. Not gonna get too close to it, is because just to make sure so we don't block the we don't block the wind noise. So there it is. I'm gonna wait until the fan comes to a complete stop so you can get a full effect of the compressor. Alright guys, compressor start up, here we go. Compressor start up, here we go. There it went. You hear that freon hissing? Turn on the flashlight so you can see the evaporator a little bit better. I'm gonna turn it all the way down, so you know. You see me holding the power button for 5 seconds. That's how you reset the filter. The reason why that I cranked up all the way up to full blast is because just to make sure so it doesn't cycle off, you know, it's because the humidity is dropping down, and we don't want it to short cycle it. But as you can see, it's pulling out some nice breeze. Oh, you can see some ice forming in here. Oh, hang on. Let me show you. Take the filter out so you can see the ice forming right here. There it is. filter back in. There we go. Some ice. Ugh. It's pulling out some nice warm air. Alright. Well, guess about it. Without further ado, let's go ahead and shut the compressor down. There's your compressor. Alright, here's your blower. You can't hear any freon hissing. It's because it hasn't ran for like for months. It's just to help save some energy bills. But anyways, unplug that since we're done with the video. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I need to learn how to talk more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this hisense dehumidifier review plus the startup and shutdown. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Once again, thank you for watching. Once again, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, everybody. Peace out, folks.